Hey everyone, welcome back to Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. I have a dinner party to go to tonight and I'm in charge of bringing an appetizer. I'm going to show you how I grow the most amazing basil all summer long, and I'm also going to share one of my very favorite appetizer recipes highlighting that basil with some summer tomatoes and some summer peaches. Thanks for joining me today at the Treehouse Garden. Alright, so I am growing this basil in one of my Olle Garden raised beds. These are really cool beds. I think I have 15 of these raised beds. I did start with wooden boxes, but thinking long-term investment, I decided to go with the Olle Garden beds. They are open on the bottom. I filled them with some leaves and grass clippings and some cardboard at the bottom and some really good soil. So number one tip to basil is make sure you have good drainage, number one, and number two, really good soil. So what I did, this is 1 pack of basil seeds. So I literally took the entire pack of basil seeds, put them in my hand, shook them loose on top of the garden bed, and watered them in. I did not even put dirt on top of the seeds. So that's all you have to do when it comes to basil. The key though to basil, it doesn't like to get too hot, and it really likes to be harvested often. So the goal is to come in and clip it every couple days because you don't want it to go to flower and you don't want it to go to seed. So I usually just get in here and just snip it off right about there. Of course you can use scissors, but I'm usually just out getting a little bit at a time. So make sure again that you harvest your basil often so it doesn't flower, it doesn't seed. Make sure it has really good drainage and really good dirt. All right, let's go get cooking. There really is not a lot of cooking, so I chopped up 2 big tomatoes, 1 peach, kind of like bite-sized pieces, then 3 slices of fresh mozzarella. Next up, I'm going to add my chiffonade basil, about 1/2 cup, some salt, some pepper, and then I top it with my favorite vinegar. This is pomegranate balsamic vinegar. I then put my peach, basil, tomato, mozzarella bruschetta on top of a toasted piece of bread, and voila, this is a garden fresh appetizer that's sure to dazzle all your friends.